Welcome to the kitchen. Maple syrup glazed ham steaks are a flavorful and easy option to make for busy weeknights. Quick to prepare and delicious to eat, this recipe is sure to be a hit for the whole family. Stay tuned for a twist to make this recipe even easier. Let's get cooking. We're going to make a glaze out of brown sugar, Dijon mustard, and maple syrup. Add the ingredients to a bowl and stir together. Brush about half of the glaze onto the top half of your steaks. Then flip your ham steaks and brush on the rest of your glaze. Here's the twist. I'm going to cook the ham steaks in the air fryer. This will make for a much easier cooking process. Put them into your air fryer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, pull out the ham steaks and flip them. Cook them for 5 more minutes and they'll be done. That's all it takes to make a delicious and memorable meal for the family. Maple syrup glazed ham steaks can be cooked within minutes in the air fryer and make a comforting dish that everyone will love. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to share it on social media and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.